case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, a civil rights case hit the courts of Bend, Oregon. Ronald Bemis, the plaintiff, argued that local police officers in the city had used excessive force during his arrest, which he asserted was a response to a city policy. However, the court deemed the force applied to be reasonable and necessary under the circumstances, as the officers had believed Bemis to be an armed burglar who had pointed a rifle at them and resisted arrest. Bemis's debate centered around a 911 call recorded on the night of his arrest. He argued this tape was critical evidence, believing that it justified his claim. However, the court decided against the inclusion of certain statements of the call, deeming these as hearsay or irrelevant. His argument was founded on the concept that statements during a 911 call can be admissible as evidence if they meet specific exceptions to the hearsay rule. Specifically, if they are spontaneous utterances or describe events currently transpiring. However, in Bemis's case, the court determined that these conditions did not apply. Some statements in the recording lacked foundation and personal knowledge of the events they described. In a turn of events, Bemis attempted to appeal the verdict, arguing that a Kate statement had relevance to his claim regarding a city policy of using excessive force during arrests. This appeal was met with rejection. Additionally, his request for attorney's fees was denied due to the baseless nature of his claim. Ultimately, the court upheld their initial verdict, finding no reversible error and standing by their judgment that the force used by the police in Bemis's arrest was reasonable and necessary. Thus, the saga of Bemis v. Edwards concluded in favor of the latter.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class